Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm painting leaves and I'm starting with the sunflower leaf because I'm working on a design with sunflowers, and in my last video I painted all the sunflowers for this design, and prior to that I painted the Portuguese style tiles so that all these separate elements can be combined into a multitude of designs. Today I'm painting leaves. This is an actual sunflower leaf which I cut off the plant in my yard. It actually broke, so I thought I'll take that one rather than cutting one. And I've sketched it here using a pale green watercolor pencil so that it's incorporated into the painting rather than using a graphite pencil. Now the other leaves and foliage I have brought in is this one, which is the bud ends of a viburnum bush, which right now is in full bloom and it looks absolutely fabulous. A piece of fern that self-planted into one of my containers. This is from Box Hedge. They're so pretty, aren't they? And then a little piece of lavender. So that's what I'm working on today. I won't be talking too much about it while I paint, but I hope you'll follow along to the end and see how they turn out. Now let's get started. And that's all there is to it. Please subscribe to my channel and be sure to click the little bell so you can be notified when I have a new video. And I think you'll also like these videos. And I'll see you next time.